How to reset your Instagram Explore page. Step 1. Adjust your interests. Start by opening the Instagram app on your device. At the bottom right of the screen, tap on your profile icon. Next, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu that pops up, select Settings and Privacy. Once inside, scroll down to the What You See section and tap on Suggested Content. Here, you'll find the Interests section, which shows all the topics and posts you've previously interacted with. Simply remove anything you're no longer interested in. This signals to Instagram's algorithm to stop showing you similar content in the future. Step 2. Manage sensitive content. Go back to the previous menu and select Sensitive Content. Here you can adjust your settings to see fewer posts that might be graphic or sensitive. Choosing the less sensitive option will help clean up your feed and remove unwanted posts or reels. Step 3. Use the Not Interested option. To further refine what appears on your Explore page, navigate to the Explore tab. Tap any post or reel that doesn't appeal to you. Then, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Not Interested. Doing this consistently teaches Instagram's algorithm to filter out similar content more effectively. Step 4. Clear your search history. A helpful way to reset your Explore page is by clearing your Instagram search history. Go to the search bar, click the X next to your recent searches and clear them all. This prevents your old searches from influencing the content Instagram shows you. Step 5. Unlike old content. If you've liked posts or reels in the past that you're no longer interested in, it's time to unlike them. Tap on your profile picture, go to your activity in the Interactions section, and select Likes. Here, you can unlike any posts or reels you no longer care about, which will help further refine your feed.